Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a 3 square meal lunch for my family because I'll be going to college soon and I really want to do this for them as like a farewell present. I'm actually going next week. Anyway, so today that's what I'm going to be doing and I wanted to take you guys along with me. So stick around. I'm going to be making appetizer, main course. So come cook with me in my kitchen. It's going to be fun, guys, so stick around to the end. Thank you for last video and all the love and support. I have a bunch of other content coming up. If there's anyone you want to see specifically, you can go ahead and comment, but I'm so excited for the future of this channel and let's get on this journey and this challenge today together. So I was thinking about appetizer ideas and I couldn't really decide, so I decided finally to just do a smoothie with nuts in it, but my mother doesn't like nuts, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to take care of that. And right now I'm going to get started on lunch, which is just macaroni, but you see it in a special way, and I'm just going to use chicken. Everything is practically almost ready. I just need to put it all together and I would like to tag myself, but I learned from my last video that I shouldn't do that unless I'm like an expert in all this, which I'm not yet. So right, so to get started, I think I'm just going to put the meat on. I'm going to marinate the meat. Oh yeah, I need to blend the tomatoes and then go ahead to start boiling it because I need to get all the water out of it. And then while that's happening, I'm going to be marinating the chicken. So many things to do, but I can do it. I've done it before and I can do it again. So okay, without further ado, let's get this party started. So this is my pawpaw and 2 apples, 2 oranges, and then of course I'm going to be using some bananas. The whole bunch is almost gone. So now I'm going to do everything that involves electricity first, and I'm going to use the 2 blenders actually because oh my god, let's just pour this. I hope it works. Oh my goodness. So I wanted to actually blend them both at the same time, but I think I just want to start with the fruits first. Smoothie never has. Oh, I hate that it's so watery. I think I put too much water in it. Okay, it did fit into this cup. Not really pretty color, but very, very sweet. And I have to start with the tomato very, very, very fast. So for the tomatoes, these are actually frozen tomatoes. I just brought them out of the freezer, not now but earlier, just so they can defrost and make it easier to blend and boil. So right now I'm going to put it in the blender and blend it up to make this delicious. I just chopped some onion in there to give it more flavor, but I will be adding more onions later on. So I'm just going to go ahead and give this a good blend. Guys, the blender just gave up. Do you see the smoke coming out of that? I think I just broke our blender, guys. So I just finished blending the tomato. So right now I'm going to go ahead and marinate this chicken for a bit and then continue this whole process. So here it is. Ginger. My favorite spice, curry. Maggi powder. Garlic. So chicken is currently marinating. I'm going to leave this for a while I work on getting our tomato ready and dry. I just put onions in here and I want to go ahead and add the tomatoes. This is what we're using. I love the shape of these. We're sizzling and bristling. It's called mustaching. Taking out the smoothie. Oh man, what? This trick of putting it in the freezer works. Okay, so far so good. The meat is still on fire, and right now I'm going to be serving the smoothie because my family is hungry. Water is on fire for the macaroni.